Hello everybody, I'm Jason Webb and welcome back to another look at my N-Gauge model railway. So in the last video I just had everything laid out where I brought it in from the conservatory, and now I've got the scenery that I had out of its storage box and I've laid everything out here just to get an idea of where I was with it. So starting off with the station here, I've got the Graham Farish station building and also this Graham Farish bridge over the tracks here, which are both a resin. Now I went with the resin models for these because I wanted something sort of fairly decent and detailed for the station, which I didn't think I was going to be able to achieve from scratch building. And then over here in the freight yard area, I've got this engine shed is the cardboard Metcalfe model kit which I built, and that also came with this small shed, which I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with that one yet, because that was kind of that was an added bonus that came with this one. This is the one that I really wanted, and that came with it. So I don't quite know where I'm going to put that at this stage, but this is what I wanted to cover up what's going to be my sort of inspection pit area, like I spoke about in the last video. Once I clean this area up a bit and then paint that with a red floor colour, and the engine shed is going to sit over there, and that's going to be part of this whole sort of storage yard area with sidings. And I've got the cardboard bridge here, which again I scratch built. So that's built from standard cardboard, just similar to this. It's the same board as I've used here, and it's the same board that's on the top of here. But then I've got some of the Metcalfe stone cladding texture and glued it on the outside there. And again, it still needs a bit of weathering and cleaning up. And then in this road, this kind of road slope or ramp, if you will, it's also scratch built from card, and obviously once this is all glued down, it needs sort of fixing in properly. So that's obviously designed to interlock in with the bridge there, which I probably won't be able to get back in now with one hand, but that interlocks with the bridge and then provides car access. The cars come down, and then there'll be sort of parking areas here. And maybe shops and maybe a little pub on the corner here, and then another road that goes down. Like I said, it comes through the gate into this sort of yard area. And I've got the locos out now. I've got the Class 42 warship out with its BR grey and blue coaches. And then hiding over the back here, I've got my Class 52 Western, which has got a couple of the sort of blood and custard carriages on the back. What I really need to do is get these main bits of scenery glued down, these bits you can see here, get these properly glued down, and then once they're glued down I can then start building more permanently on top and start moulding in these cardboard edges, and then I can start putting ballast down and stuff. But I really need to get these glued down before I can start putting ballast down. So that's where I'm at anyway. So I hope you found this useful, and until next time, I've been Jason Webb, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.